सीधे आपको ले चलते हैं चेन्नई, जहां से हमारी सहयोगी धरनी इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ेंगे। चेन्नई में क्या कुछ हाल है विरोध प्रदर्शन का, बताएंगी हमारी सहयोगी धरनी। धरनी, टेल अस मोर ऑन दिस प्रोटेस्ट।
Shweta, right now we are standing in Saidapet area of Chennai near Rajiv Gandhi statue, and as we can see in the visuals, thousands of Congress supporters from all over the state, all over Tamil Nadu, they have come here together to protest against the Union BJP government. And as we can see in the visuals, they are holding the Congress's flag in their hands, and they also have placards with cartoon images, against the BJP government. In fact, one of the placards reads, "PM cares, thank you for looting us in installments." So this protest is mainly against the Union BJP government for inflation and the fuel and LPG price rise. And apart from that, they are also protesting against Agnipath and unemployment. So these are the four main reasons why these people from all over Tamil Nadu have come together to Chennai, in this particular very spot to protest against the Union BJP government. And State Congress Chief K.S. Alagiri, he is here at this spot, and he is right now delivering a speech in the stage against the BJP government, and he is also telling that the Union BJP government is using independent agencies such as ED, CBI, etc. to attack the opposition voices, especially the voice of the Congress party. So for all these reasons, this protest is happening right now in Chennai, and thousands of people from all over Tamil Nadu, from various districts, they have come together to register their protest. In fact, we are standing with some of the protesters right here, and let us go to them to understand their reasons better. ஐயா, இப்ப நீங்க என்ன காரணத்துக்காக இந்த போராட்டம் பண்றீங்க? கொஞ்சம் ஷார்ட்டா சொல்லுங்க.
மோடியினுடைய அவல ஆட்சி இந்த மக்களை வாட்டி வதைக்கின்றது. ஜிஎஸ்டி வரி, விலை உயர்வு, பெட்ரோல் டீசல் உயர்வு மற்றும் அக்னிபாத் திட்டம், இது போன்ற திட்டங்களை எல்லாம் இந்த நாட்டில் ஒழிய வேண்டும், விலைவாசியை குறைக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக இங்கே நாங்கள் போராடுகின்றோம்.
Well, he is telling that the poor and the middle class people, they are suffering a lot during this BJP government's regime, and that the prices of all essential commodities, including fuel and LPG, has gone up very up in the past few months. So that's what they are telling, and they are telling that the government should do something to bring some kind of relaxation to these poor and middle class people. So that's what their demands are. So to register their protest and to put forward their demands, they have come together today here in Chennai for this protest. And Congress State Chief K.S. Alagiri, he is right now delivering a speech, as I told, in the stage where he is attacking the Union BJP government regarding all these issues.
Right.